Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Upasana Taneja. So in this video we have a question where we need to find out the LCM of these two numbers, right? Suppose suppose I say find the LCM of 2 and 4. You will say it is 4, right? And if I say LCM of 2 and 3, you will say it is 6, right? And this is how you find LCM. And many students will say here that LCM is under root 6, but it is a wrong answer. Why? We will figure out that now, right? So first of all, for that I will tell you the meaning of LCM. That is least common multiple, and that we all know, right? So when we had to found out the LCM of 2 and 4, what did we write? We write what will we do? We will write multiples of 2, right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, like up to so on. And here we will write multiples of 4, 4, 8, right? 12 up to so on. What is the least common multiple? Like least means like the smallest common multiple is 4. That is why answer was 4. And if you are talking about 2 and 3, you will write multiple of 2, right? And then you will write multiple of 3, and this is the least common multiple, right? Similarly, here as well, when we are finding out the LCM of under root 2 and under root 3, what will we do? We will write the multiples of under root 2. What are the multiples of under root 2? Under 1 under root 2, it is 2 under root 2, it is 3 under root 2, right? 4 under root 2 up to so on. And what is the multiple of under root 3? 2 under root 3, 3 under root 3, 4 under root 3 up to so on, right? So will you ever find any common multiple between them? No, never. You will never find the common multiple between these multiples of 2 and multiples of 3. When there is no common multiple, that means there cannot be least common multiple. So it does not exist. It does not exist. So our answer is it does not exist, the common multiple of under root 2 and under root 3, or you can say least common multiple, right? So I hope you understood this. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel, and for more such videos please visit my channel, and your support means a lot. Do subscribe and share with your friends if you can. And if you like to solve math riddles, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.